Asari Dokubo, Accuses, Ipob. Your America oil deal for Biafra. Ends in graves, none escape. The former Niger Delta militant leader Mujahid Asari Dokubo has unleashed a scathing verbal attack on the Indigenous People of Biafra Ipob and the broader Igbo-led Biafra movement, accusing them of collaborating with the United States and attempting to leverage oil resources in negotiations for Biafran independence. In a widely circulated video statement, Dokubo directly addressed Ipob supporters and Biafra agitators, rejecting any perceived claims on oil-rich territories in the Niger Delta, particularly those associated with Ijaw lands. Dokubo accused Ipob of planning to negotiate with America with oil, warning that any American involvement tied to oil interests would be met with deadly force. Every American that comes here because of the oil of the Ijaw people will die here. They will all die here. He invoked historical colonial resistance, referring to Ijaw land as the white man's graveyard, claiming that historically, if 100 white people came to Ijaw land, 90 did not leave. He threatened severe consequences for any collaboration. You come with them, Americans, to occupy our land. You will die here. We will bury you here, or we will feed your body to the element and to the vultures. Dokubo emphasized non-interference in other regions, but drew a hard line on Ijaw land. We will not come to disturb you in your place, but all those Ijaw people who do not know your plan, your sinister plan for Ijaw land, you will die here with the Americans. This latest outburst aligns with Dokubo's pattern of fiery, anti-Biafra statements, often targeting Ipob and its leader, Nnamdi Kanu. Past accusations from Ipob have claimed Dokubo was recruited or contracted by Nigerian authorities to undermine their movement, including alleged involvement in operations against Igbo youths in the southeast. No immediate official response has emerged from Ipob or U.S. authorities, but such inflammatory rhetoric risks heightening ethnic divisions in an already volatile region where oil infrastructure remains a flashpoint for militancy, sabotage, and political maneuvering. Listen to him.
Use oil to negotiate. Which people oil do you want to take in negotiating for Biafra? Biafra is not your own. You have no link to Biafra. You have no association with Biafra. Biafra is a job. But you have taken it. Oh yeah, we give it to you. We have given the Biafra to you. We don't want it. Welcome no hotel. Okay. Take it. You are going to negotiate with America with oil. I am telling you, every American that comes here because of oil will die here. Every American that comes here because of the oil of the Ijaw people will die here, will not live here. That they want to take the oil of the Ijaw people to give to Igbo people will die here. They will all die here. This is what the white man called the white man graveyard. If 100 white people came to Ijaw land, 90 did not leave. They call this land the white man graveyard. And that is what it's going to be. Tell them, if you come with them, you will die here. That's a promise that we'll keep with you people. You come with them to occupy our land. You think you want to come and occupy Ijaw land. I'm not talking of anybody's land though. I'm talking of Ijaw land. You come with them, you come with Americans. You want to use or oil to negotiate and you come with them into Ijaw land. You will die here. We will bury here. Or you will feed your body to the element and to the vultures. We will not come to disturb you in your place. We have no cause. But all those Ijaw people who do not know your plan, your sinister plan for Ijaw land, how you convert our land, and you want to go and negotiate with Americans that you come and do Biafra on this. This is where you will die. This is why you and the Americans will die. None of you will go back. Barbara Kapish is on there. You are negotiating with them. You want to cut Nigeria, Biafra, Odua, this one, that one. Come and do it now. If other nationalities want to accept you, that's the business of those nationalities. If all of you join together and come into Ijaw land, so go will swallow you. Party hula. Chama fear. Chama. If all of you form your confederation, you form your confederation with American imperialist support and you come here, we will swallow all of you. It's not intolerant. Even without your misbehavior, Ijaw land would not have been like this. Before Biafra, there was Niger Delta Republic. To be plotting against me as you are plotting, or Americans will come, they are here, they are coming, Americans claim they are collaborating with Nigeria. Did they come as invaders? Let them come as invaders. And let us see whether they will be. This land is not Afghanistan. This land is not Iraq. This land is a white man's graveyard. This land is the mosquito country. It's the mosquito land. This land is the land of malaria. Going to negotiate, use our land, our resources to go and negotiate. And you think they can save you, they can protect you. They cannot, and they will not. I keep on telling you, I cannot hate myself, but you can't be doing this thing. Talk about other people, talk down on other people, do other things, and then you watch. Because I have Igbo blood, I have Ijaw blood, I should just keep quiet and watch. People do that. Anywhere that wins, no, me I deal with the Ijaw people. Ijaw king, Ijaw minor. Ebelabe yara patimesi agakidie imami odosi so ebelabe yara patimekidie imami odosi so mu anibela. You wish me dead. Many times you have announced my death. You have gone everywhere saying I'm the leader of unknown gunmen. You know it's lies. You have petitioned me to which that mad, sick, idiotic, cannibal, pedophile. Trump will come after. Take responsibility.